Happy and Prosperous Dragon Link. Everybody loves Happy and Prosperous. Marc, play Happy and Prosperous. Okay, I'm gonna play it. 444 in with an extra 69 centavos. Let's start off with dollar denoms, do some $5 bets. Here we go. Let's get that volume up. Everybody knows how this one goes. Get 3 of those pots on the left or 6 of the fireballs. Do a few here. Feeling good tonight, guys. Feeling really good. Oh, sorry. Let me show you what the dollar denoms are. All right. All right, we got this. Come on. Oh. This is a 5-line game. Couple more here. All right, let's move down this time. Oh, somebody won. All right. So the minor's down to 500 and the mini's down to 100 on the 10 cents. Oh, I think I might have a button slapper. But listen. Oh, listen. Yes. Come on, dude. Button slap. Harder, harder. Alright, keeping it going. Alright, a couple more here. I'm going to go up to 2. $2. Slap those buttons, buddy. Come on. Okay, so $2. We got that. Here we go. $10 bets. Oh. Come on, Happy. One more here. Let's go back to our Dalero. Did that button slapping, guys, gonna drive me crazy. Listen to this. Oh. Oh. $40 on that. Nice. One more here. I'm going to drop it down. Nice. Glad I didn't drop it down. All right, guys. Let me show it to you. Got the 1250 up there. Let's get that minor. Here we go. Come on. Nice. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Oh, we got it right here. Oh, awesome. That was awesome. You know why I think we won? There's the power of the neighbor button slapper. Hear it? Listen. Man. There's like the almighty button slapper behind me. I gotta go find that guy. All right, let's do a backup here. Oh, I'm gonna drop it down, do some 10 cents. Oh, come on. Oh, that'd been nice. Dude, that guy, listen to that. Holy crap, I gotta go find that guy. That guy's the champion. Where's that guy? All right, a couple more here. And I'm gonna do a few $2 denoms. Let's do about 5 of these. All right, that's the 5th one, and let's go down to 10 cents again. Come on, guys. One more. Oh, man. Got ore blocked. Lady, I'm working. Gosh. Oh. 2 more. Oh. Lady. Oh my gosh. Congratulations. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take this. Let's do some $10. Nice. Awesome. So we're working with a $2,500 miner right here. Oh, listen. The button slapper's back. Here we go. Nice. Wow, a lot of 10s. Come on. Last one, we got it right here. That's fun. I'm gonna take it down. Let's do a few more. Let's do one backup. And I'm gonna drop it down and do some 10s. See if we can get one more out of this bad boy. I'm gonna go hunt for that button slapper. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Come on, one more. You think I can get one more? I think we can get one more. Maybe? Go. All right, last one right here. Oh, come on. Oh, thought we had it. Do I got one more? Let's do one more. All right, guys, that's it. Pretty much even session. It was fun. Got a couple bonuses. Let's continue on. We'll see you soon. And, you know, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thanks again. Emperor's Treasure, the guy with a hat that, you know, I don't know about that hat, man. All right, we got Dollar Storm. I was here the other night. This thing has not moved. It's actually gone up quite a bit. Yeah. Alright, guy with the cool hat. Let's do 440.15. Adjust a little bit here. Oh. I'm telling you, man, I'm getting worse and worse with this stand as the day goes by. Alright, let's start with some 10 cent. Here we go. You know the rules here, right? Dude's Wild, Fireballs coins, whatever they're called. And then I think this one, you gotta get a bunch of doors on, right? Alright. Here we go. That door right there. The door to my heart. I mean, the key to my heart. Well, I don't know. Something like that. Alright. Come on. Alright, baby. There we go. Let's go up to 25 cents. Oh, not $2. Let's go to 25 cents. Oh, somebody did all right. Okay. It's a niner right there. On the door. Oh. Am I going too fast? I'm going to calm down a little. Oh, this freaking stand. It's my ADD kicking in. Alright, so we'll go 1.5, gives me a 12.50 liner. Come on. Is that a good one? What did I hit? I guess I hit something. Wow, 265. What did I hit? Let me look. Am I looking at that wrong? Oh, the girl. All right, you know me, guys. I'm gonna go down to 600 or one more bonus. It's a no-brainer. All right, let's drop it down to 25 cents. I'm good, thank you. I appreciate it. Dang, that's a fast hit. Man. All right. Let's do a couple here on 5 cent. That lowers my minor to 250. That's like 2 here. Okay. Okay. That line here, man. I didn't even catch it. It's pretty awesome. Okay, rotate back here. All right. Come on. No. All right, 3 more spins. That's a couple more. Okay. All right, let's see the last one here. A little bit under. That's okay. There we go. $5.99.95. I'll paint any car for $99.95. That's real sharp. Remember that guy? That's it, guys. Let's go do another one. Thanks again for watching. Quick in, quick out. As you know, the goal here is to win and take money home with ya. See ya.